This section focuses on basic mechanical principles, including levers, pulleys, gears, force, and motion. Let's begin. The center of gravity of a uniform solid cube is located at its blank. A. Corner. B. Edge midpoint. C. Geometric center. D. Bottom face. Correct answer, geometric center. According to Newton's second law, doubling the net force on an object will blank its acceleration if mass stays constant. A. Decrease. B. Double. C. Halve. D. Eliminate. Correct answer, double. The purpose of a flywheel on an engine is to blank. A. Reduce exhaust. B. Store rotational energy. C. Increase friction. D. Cool cylinders. Correct answer, store rotational energy. Power is the rate at which blank. A. Energy is stored. B. Force is applied. C. Mass is converted. D. Work is done. Correct answer, work is done. Pascal's principle is applied in which vehicle component? A. Radiator cap. B. Brake master cylinder. C. Alternator. D. Exhaust manifold. Correct answer, brake master cylinder. Friction that occurs when objects are already sliding is called blank. A. Static. B. Rolling. C. Kinetic. D. Elastic. Correct answer, kinetic. Hooke's law states that, within elastic limits, stress is proportional to blank. A. Density. B. Strain. C. Temperature. D. Pressure. Correct answer, strain. When two forces of equal magnitude act in opposite directions on the same line, the net force is blank. A. Half the greater force. B. Double one force. C. One of the forces. D. Zero. Correct answer, zero. Doubling both force and distance in a simple machine will blank the work output. A. Halve. B. Quadruple. C. Double. D. Not change. Correct answer, quadruple. Shear stress acts blank to the surface it is applied to. A. Normal. B. Perpendicularly. C. Parallel. D. Vertically. Correct answer, parallel. The ideal mechanical advantage of a gear train equals the ratio of blank. A. Follower teeth to driver teeth. B. Shaft diameters. C. Gear thicknesses. D. RPM values. Correct answer, follower teeth to driver teeth. Momentum is always conserved in a system if the net external force is blank. A. Positive. B. Zero. C. Infinite. D. Variable. Correct answer, zero. Boyle's law states that for a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, pressure is blank proportional to volume. A. Directly. B. Inversely. C. Quadratically. D. Not. Correct answer, inversely. In fluids, pressure increases with depth because of the fluid's blank. A. Viscosity. B. Weight. C. Surface tension. D. Temperature. Correct answer, weight. In a first-class lever, the fulcrum is located between the blank and the load. A. Effort. B. Output arm. C. Wheel. D. Axle. Correct answer, effort. If one pulley in a movable pulley system breaks, the mechanical advantage generally blank. A. Doubles. B. Decreases. C. Remains. D. Becomes infinite. Correct answer, decreases. The pivot point of a lever is called the blank. A. Fulcrum. B. Effort arm. C. Load arm. D. Axle. Correct answer, fulcrum. The mechanical advantage of a screw jack is increased by using a blank. A. Coarser thread. B. Longer handle. C. Shorter lever arm. D. Smaller screw diameter. Correct answer, longer handle. Static friction is the force that blank. A. Resists the initiation of motion between stationary surfaces. B. Opposes motion between surfaces that are already sliding. C. Acts perpendicular to a surface to support an object's weight. D. Is created by an object moving through the air. Correct answer, resists the initiation of motion between stationary surfaces. When a force causes rotation without translation, the motion is described as blank. A. Linear. B. Oscillatory. C. Pure torque. D. Laminar. Correct answer, pure torque. The SI unit of work is the blank. A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Pascal. Correct answer, joule. Work done lifting a 60-pound box 5 feet is blank. A. 300 foot-pounds. B. 12 foot-pounds. C. 65 foot-pounds. D. 0 foot-pounds. Correct answer, 300 foot-pounds. A gear with 15 teeth driving a gear with 45 teeth produces a speed reduction of blank. A. 3 to 1. B. 15 to 45. C. 45 to 15. D. 5 to 1. Correct answer, 3 to 1. In a screw, decreasing the thread pitch, making threads closer, will blank the mechanical advantage. A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Eliminate. D. Not affect. Correct answer, increase. An object experiences the greatest air resistance when its cross-sectional area is blank and velocity is high. A. Small. B. Streamlined. C. Large. D. Negative. Correct answer, large. A block and tackle with 4 supporting rope segments has an ideal MA of blank. A. 2. B. 4. C. 8. D. 16. correct answer 4.